One of the simplest ways to define copywriting is simply persuasion. And whenever I say this, I want you to know that whether you like it or not, before someone gets a product you're selling, you must have done a level of persuasion or education that actually made that person to see the benefit and then they bought it. Now, copywriting is not content writing, and copywriting is not copywriting. How did that sound? I don't know. But copywriting is not copywriting, and copywriting is not content writing. When you talk about copywriting, it is majorly how to use words to sell something or make people take some kind of action, like sign up now, subscribe now, check out my website for this and that. This is what copywriting is all about. It's trying to make you take an action. But when it comes to content writing, it is something like this video right now. I am actually creating awareness, teaching you something that you have to know about a particular thing. But whenever I end this video telling you to use the button below to purchase something, it has left content writing to copywriting. Copywriting is actually made to persuade you to take some kind of action or to buy something on a website or anywhere. So most of you are actually copywriters, but you don't know. If you have actually written on your Facebook page advising people to get a particular product or that, you have done copywriting before. Sometimes we call it copywriting or even copy or sales copy. So if you have actually written something to make some people join a free training, that is copywriting. You have persuaded them to join your free training that is coming up. You are a copywriter. So feel free to call yourself a copywriter because that is what it is all about. The only thing is that some people mistake copywriting for copywriting. Copywriting here is actually a legal protection about some intellectual properties or law things, But then what we're dealing with here is copywriting. Have you ever seen an advert, for instance, on Facebook, and then at the end of it, they tell you to click the button below to learn more? That is a copywriting. All they are doing is to help you take an action. They are trying to persuade you. Okay, when you click the learn more button, you go to the landing page, you read, and you see something that says, click here to register, right? Or click here to submit your name. All this is copywriting, to the process of making you buy something. This is copywriting. So copywriting is written to actually make people get persuaded. Copywriting is not written to create brand awareness. Copywriting is primarily written to persuade you to take some kind of action like buy now, sign up now, or register now. This is what the work of copywriting is. And one of the truths you should know about copywriting is that the best copywriters are not the best writers. It's very true. The best copywriters are the best marketers. They just took their ideas, the things they already have inside of them, and put it in a written form. And that is why you will read through it and understand. So when next you have the opportunity of learning copywriting, do not say, I am not a writer, so because of that, I will not do well in the business. No, the best copywriters are not usually the best writers. It's a skill that teaches you how to persuade people to take action. And it does that by presenting the benefit of the product and not the features, because copywriting will make you see the benefit of what you're getting and not the features of the product you're about to get. So these are the few things you need to know about copywriting. And then do not forget to subscribe because I'm bringing you more information on copywriting. Drop a comment and like this video because that's the only way you can tell the algorithm that this video is good and the other people will get to watch it. My name is Kingsley Nemeka and my student call me Coach Kingsley. I'm here sharing tips.